shall be made. Will we be victorious? One thing that I do know is that if we stand together, arm in arm, we will be victorious. Because nothing can break a team that is bound together with love, friendship, harmony, epic beats, and that smile. Do we have a lot of shit ahead of us?
Yeah.
Do we know there are some things that we don't have the answers to yet?
Yeah.
Do we know we might be a little bit scared shitless just as just pooped 30 seconds ago? Yeah! But do we know that poop, even though it might be soft, tomorrow it might be hard? Yeah! And that is exciting! Nobody likes a wet poop. Nobody. Do you like a wet poop? No. Do you like a wet poop?
Nice.
I can't hear you. Do you like a wet poop? Hey! We want hard poop. So look, gentlemen, we've got a lot of work to do. There's a whole shit ton of stuff that needs to get done. A lot of stuff that's like, who's gonna do it? Who's the captain of this? There's so many emails. I don't know the Instagram password. We put it all on the line. We let it all out. Anything that's inside you, you let it out. See this ring? This is a ring that bonds two people in a marriage. But at this table, this ring bonds a group of magic. Nobody said it was going to be easy. We may not get much sleep at all, but worry not, my feral friend, because it is going to be so worth it at the end. Because look, we are game changers. We are emotional men. We start with our heart, we lead with our feet, and we move on. But most of all, we are jet setters. And we are going to change the world, one jet setter boss at a time. It's not going to be easy, I'm going to say that again, but with enough tenacity, enough emotion, enough drive, and enough cohesion, we will change the world. Can I get a hell yeah? Hey! I said, can I get a hell yeah, Brian? Yeah! Gentlemen, your meeting is now adjourned.
Yeah.
In session, in session.
I think your meeting starts now. Your meeting is now in session. Woo! Okay, first things first, guys. So we're going to start on the support element. Kenzo, are you all good with the support tickets?
Okay, we got some scrapes.
Kill the pot. Holy shit.
That was my grandma's.
I was trying to break on my way in, and I was like, why isn't it breaking?
I think you hit the mat. Like, look at the mat.
You'll need some soap, some disinfectant. It's gonna burn a little bit.
That sounded like a train wreck, dude.
That's so bad. Look at that. It's like Scrape City. You're alright, dude. Look at that.
Scrape City.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought that's like that Kojak was really quick. You get scared yet? Calma, calma.
What happened?
Bike straight into the wall. Joshy. Yeah, he's okay. Scraped up his leg pretty good. His hands are okay. Hey, what are you doing with ice? Perfect.
Yeah, I'm fine, but it was
He
like,
came in hot.
Why am I not
That's the front tire mark.
What the fuck?
Well, is that enough excitement for one day?
Let's call that enough excitement for the rest of the trip.
Second crash of the trip, unless there's a third that I don't know of.
Oh!
Here, let somebody else pour it.
Oh, it's brutal.
Alright, I want you to lean back. Put your foot out, put your toe out.
No, I put tap
Put your toe out like a ballerina on the ground.
Oh, that actually is looking a little bit.
That looks good.
Here we go.
Alright.
Oh, God! Oh, that's
Yeah!
What are you testing out right now?
Well, I'm testing out BingBong drone. As you may have seen, the last time BingBong was in the air, it wound up in a palm tree. We have not tested it since, so this is the moment of truth to see if BingBong has finally reached its unfortunate fate, or if she will live to fly again.
Out to the front, perhaps?
Yeah, let's go to the front. Let's go to a risky area. A high-risk area to test. Maybe me no power lines. We're in a pretty good spot.
Yeah, lots of power lines.
Well,
Good.
we got some clearance.
She's still intact, but there's sand everywhere, right?
Pilot. To be fair to the audience back home that probably thinks I'm a new pilot, this drone has been through a lot. It's more of a technical issue than flyer error, but it's been good to me, and I'm not yet ready to let it go. Maybe
Sounds like something a bad pilot would say.
All right, so see.
Look at all these buttons.
All these gizmos and gadgets. Compass calibration. Let's calibrate it. Full 360 tilt.
Oh.
Another full 360.
Oh, it sounds good.
Yeah, there's definitely some sand and maybe palm leaf stuff in there. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Whoa! BingBong lives! Woo! Oh! Whoa! Oh! How'd you feel? So long, BingBong. So long. Alright, well that's good news. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine what the world wouldn't see if BingBong didn't exist.
Amazing.
I mean, we could use this for sweeping instead.
I'm thinking that could be a good test
See the
run
dust
for-
clearance on that thing?
So good.
For a broom.
I'm thinking
So, Russia's been wanting for quite some time now to get a good drone shot of him and anyone who wants to be a part of it, riding motorcycles with some rice paddies in the area, sunset, beautiful pinkish hue, orangey on the clouds, kind of like this. But alas, we left it until just a little bit too late today. So, although everyone else is excited to film, Russia is disappointed.
Oh, the shot I have in mind is ripping through the rice paddies at golden hour with sexy sunlight. Look how pretty, but we just missed the light.
So what do you call this? Golden hour plus one?
No, it's just we just missed the sunset. That's all. So the subjects won't be illuminated. It still looks cool, but.
Pretty much all it was our rehearsal today. Yeah.
rehearsal went well. We know we have to show up earlier. We have to bring a good cord. Pretty much it.
So a couple of our friends are going away for a week tomorrow. So they're going out for tacos tonight, right up the street actually, over yonder. We didn't really get our shot that we wanted to at this point, so we might just go join them for tacos.